This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing platform and prepping essentials. Decide managed versus self-hosted based on control and maintenance. Once chosen, register a short domain and point DNS to your host. Make sure to pick a responsive theme or starter template so layout works on mobile. Configure basic settings like permalink structure and site title now. This saves time later. You're doing foundational work. Do it cleanly so content creation flows without repeated migrations or design fixes. Once the foundation is live, build your site structure and first posts. Create key pages, home, about, contact, and set a clear navigation that highlights 3 to 6 main topics so readers find content fast. Draft pillar posts and use categories and tags consistently to organize content. This helps SEO and user flow. Install essential plugins or integrations for SEO, caching, and forms, then test page speed. Make sure to preview both desktop and mobile versions, so layout and typography read cleanly. You're ready to launch. Publish your initial posts, submit the sitemap to search engines, and announce the site via social and email. Set up analytics and RSS so you can track traffic and subscriber growth. Once done, create shareable meta descriptions and social images for each post to increase clicks. If something breaks, clear caches first and confirm permalinks. If issues persist, disable recent plugins to find conflicts. Keep iterating on content and technical fixes. Small improvements compound quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.